tackle tips, trip recaps, and more. Make sure to subscribe. Well, afternoon bite. Picking up pretty good on the live fly line. This one's just like last week, marked by turnbirds and stuff. A little bit of a flat spot we got on it. Nice school, reacted the chum, and they've been biting. And that one is a running. Got the tail above the head and said, see ya. These fish do not give up. All right. On the boat.
Way to go.
Kind of been stuck in color for a little bit here, but looks like it might be the last one. He's coming up good. He's got the reel in low speed. See him in color right there. Matt's ready with the gaff. We're just plunking away, keeping 2 to 3 hanging.
Easy. Hold him out. Let him come out by himself, okay? Beautiful fish.
Nice job, guys.
Good job. First one on the boat.
All right, Matt, 25-pound gold label again?
That's right.
Back-to-back weeks, he didn't change it when he came back out. He's still hooking them. 25-pound gold label, size 4 hook. And he's butt hooking that sardine, giving a little flick off the corner, swimming down, and he's getting bit. He's had a lot of success this trip. What's that leader, like 7-8 feet probably?
Yeah, I had it at 15 feet. Now it's cut down half of that length.
So he started out at 15 feet and he's trimming it down a little bit each time he catches a fish, so it doesn't have any chew left on the line there. Resetting, tying a new knot. Good habit to get into. The 20-pound gray bluefin, squirrely, tough. They do not give up. There you go. Short pumping it in. Lift and wind on the way down. Back to the leader. And running again.
Oh yeah. And a line.
This might slip. Yeah. So we like to bleed our tuna. And when Matt gaffed that one, he hit it right in the gill. That's a perfect place to bleed a tuna. It's on the boat now though. Good job, Matt and Matt.
Good job.
All right, Matt, you've been the hot stick today. We're gonna show some bait handling and how to hook a bait.
So you get a nice, lively, clean-looking bait, not all red. Be very gentle with your bait. I have to put that hook right above that anal fin, get it out of your hand and in the water as fast as you can. Nice little underhand cast.
Little underhand flick and he's in there. He doesn't try to throw it too hard. He doesn't toss it off the hook. You can see he was gentle with that bait, got in the water quickly, and it's swimming. And that's what you want. And he's gonna tell right away if that bait's worth soaking or not. If it takes off swimming, he's gonna keep on soaking it. If not, he's gonna wind up and change it. There you go, he's got that rhythm now. Lift up and wind before you go down. We got a little bit more weather this week than last week. It's blowing a little bit, still not too bad. Oh, Art's bit. Art's bit on the spinning reel. All right, Art hooked one on the upside down rod and reel. 30-pound test, he said. So don't pull too hard, have fun though. You're good right here. Fish is circling. You got him under control, he's coming up. Fish is right here at color, he's doing a good job. Just steadily gaining on that thing. There we go. Up and in. Welcome to the boat.
Nice.
Good job, guys. That was on 30-pound on the spinning setup. Everybody up here is hanging. Whole boat is getting bit. Right before sundown. Oh, look how many rods are bent. Whole boat.
Spider! You see a rod? Don't worry. Hey, up, up.
Take your time. It's gonna take a while, guys.
There you go. There you go. Oh my God. Come on, man. Take it better here. Let's go.
We haven't landed a fish. I think these are a little bit bigger. Whole boat's bit. We got a little too tight on there, huh?
He spooled me the last 15 yards. He had 2 wraps on his spool.
Oh, we got one in the boat. That's the only one that's made it in.
Heads up, guys. Step back.
Watch out, step back.
Hot rail, hot rail.
Good. He's coming up, guys. Tips up. It's still there.
You're still on, dude.
It's still there.
Yeah.
He just knocked it in the free spool by accident. Oh. Live on farmersonly.com. Straighten out your hook.
Yeah.
Here, let's see.
The U-hook.
Oh, is that why you let go of your fish? You might not get to see any tuna, but you can see what a bent rod looks like on this video.
Stuck at the bottom.
You're doing good, man. You're taking that, okay?
You can put it in low speed for him if it's not already mount. He is? Great.
I'm big fish, dog.
The tuna are winning. Sundown bite at its finest. That's what everybody signed up for, right? You look a little tuckered there, sir. Tap out.
Ding, ding, ding.
Come on, Skeeter. Let's go, guys. You gotta keep fighting, gotta keep pulling, otherwise we're gonna wrap up. We let these fish dictate the fight and spin around each other, we're not gonna catch anything.
Keep doing it. Keep doing it. He's getting mad. He's getting mad. Come this way, Mo. Come
go down.
Strike. Just keep it
All
tight.
the way.
Keep coming. Keep straight.
Sidestep all the way down, basically.
Got it. Coming.
Doing great.
Keep coming.
All right, Skeeter?
I won't make it. We're gonna survive. I ain't a
Oh.
quitter.
Not a lot of line left in that one anymore, huh? We got to start gaining on him. Can't just hang when he gives it to you. You got to take it. Hopefully everybody jumped up their line a little bit when they saw how many bites were happening here. No angle at all, guys. If you see it's left or right, you got to follow it. There's 12 fish hanging up here.
Where's this guy's line at?
Look at the size of this turtle, bro.
Gotta come around the bow, guys. Watch out. Come around the bow. Lift it out around. They're gonna lean against this thing and go around the bow.
Hold it. Let me get that blue sticker. I'm cutting it.
Cut his line off. Let me pull this thing over. Thank you.
Watch that thumb. Don't push on that line. Tuck it into your hip and keep lifting, kiddo.
Hey, go under.
You got this. These are nice fish. Follow it up. No angle. These are all nice fish, guys.
Go to the right. Go underneath those fish.
60 to 80 pound grade. Step up your line if you're not bit. Oh, this is an epic sundowner, guys.
Oh, dude.
This is as good as it gets.
And then a jig bite. If we fish it.
There you go. Lift up, wind down. Good.
I'm already a leader, so.
You're at color. Alex Gaff. Fish is coming up right here. Stay at the rail. You gotta follow your fish. Tip out. Okay, you gotta follow. Gotta go. Gotta go. Tip down. He's coming out. He's coming out, Alex. Lift up, lift up. Fish is out from the boat now. You gotta lift.
Get around, man.
Big lift, big lift, big lift. Okay, step back up to the rail.
Heads up, guys.
Landed one. There we go. Keep going, Skeeter. Don't let him take you under the boat. There's a whole bunch of fish over there. Skeeter's gonna be under all of them. Switch places if you guys gotta switch places.
They slip a lot. You got it.
Torium slip all the time.
Just a little at a time. All right, they do slip. They get hot and they start slipping really down.
Right, here, let me help you. Let me help you. Thumbs in free spool. Thumb in free spool. Sorry, Captain.
Oh, yeah.
When you got 10, 12 more hanging, sometimes you take that first available shot and get them in the boat. We just hook one? On a jig?
No, 40-pound test.
40-pound fly line.
Okay, wind down and go down. You need to come over.
Biting into the dark on the fly line, guys.
I think I'm on the front of the water here.
Sundown bite turning into night bite.
Wind. He's coming back. Couple more.
Wind. Big lift. You want a second one? Hook came off, huh? Yeah. I don't think it matters anymore. Don't want to get stuck in the middle of the stern. There's props and rudders there.
But why?
That fish has got to be close.
All right, come over here.
This is our sundown bite still. We got a few into the boat. You guys saw how many were hanging. Okay, you got to follow it, guys. Slack lines, watch out. Fish coming towards you. Hey, Skater, what happened? You had to hand off your rod?
Dad got it out, boss.
He saw these 60 to 80 pounders up and he thought it was a good idea to throw 25, but
Found out he came.
that's okay.
What you raised him for?
I didn't understand that.
I didn't get that one either. I
Why
did
you
some
raised those little parts?
Oh.
Take you back when you get burned out.
Thanks, Dad.
He's coming up. This fish got on the props twice. Calvin, get ready.
Yeah.
Matt's about to kill it.
Right here.
Yeah, we'll take a second, Gaff. If he can get it out from under the boat one more time. That thing got in the props twice. Oh, it's right there. But he's digging. And the drag is slipping. Oh, it's on the little bass reel that we saw earlier.
We gotta
Gotta follow it.
Go.
Don't get caught in the prop.
All the way down to the corner. Wind.
This is one of the first fish hooked on the stop, I think.
We've been on this one for a while.
This one's been on for well over an hour. You can see that tranks is just slipping. That's why that rod tip is bouncing. Yeah, no, I'm not saying tighten it. It's just the drag barriers are so heated up from this long fight.
Yeah.
It's not meant for this big a fish and this long a fight, you know?
Too hot and it starts to not do what they're supposed to do.
Yeah, that's why you see that bounce in that tip. It's a slip. Yeah, it's not a consistent pull out. It's because it's slipping. No.
That makes sense.
For tackle tips, trip recaps, and more, make sure to subscribe.